Some homes instantly look elegant the moment you see them. Surprisingly, it isn't always because the house is expensive. In many cases, the landscaping makes all the difference. A few common mistakes can make even a beautiful home look neglected or outdated. Today, we're covering 7 landscaping mistakes that quietly hurt your home's curb appeal and simple ways to fix each one. Many homeowners try to fit every favorite plant into one small space. The result is a busy landscape that feels cluttered instead of welcoming. Instead, choose just a few plant varieties and repeat them throughout your garden. Repetition creates a clean, professional look that feels intentional and much more expensive. Large blank walls make a home feel unfinished. Layering shrubs, ornamental grasses, and flowering perennials around the foundation softens harsh lines and gives your home a polished appearance. Old, faded mulch instantly makes landscaping look neglected. Fresh mulch not only improves appearance, but also helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Dark brown or natural hardwood mulch often creates the most refined look. When lawns blend directly into flower beds, everything appears messy. Simple edging with stone, steel, or clean-cut borders immediately makes the landscape look organized. Tiny shrubs placed too far apart leave empty spaces for years. On the other hand, oversized plants eventually crowd windows and walkways. Always check mature width and height before planting. A large empty lawn often feels plain and requires constant maintenance. Breaking up the space with planting beds, ornamental trees, or curved borders creates visual interest while reducing maintenance. Every beautiful landscape has one element that naturally attracts attention. It might be a Japanese maple, a flowering tree, a decorative planter, a water feature, or a colorful planting bed. Without a focal point, even expensive landscaping can feel forgettable. Beautiful landscaping isn't about buying the most expensive plants. It's about making thoughtful design choices that work together. Avoid these 7 common mistakes, and you'll be surprised how much more attractive your home can look. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Decorify for more practical landscaping inspiration every week.